Bryne Ruse. I'm the Director of Character Building and Maintenance, Proprietary Limited. We do heritage renovations in the inner city of Sydney and remediation and that sort of work. We also do bespoke plaster work for steel fabrication, and we're specialists in damp proofing and restoration of brickwork. Before we started using this application, we were putting them in manually. So I was receiving the invoices generally via email and then cutting and pasting them and putting them into each bill within Xero. And it was very painful. In an open book situation, we pass on the cost of the materials itemized. And the way we do it within our company is we itemize every piece of material and we pass on every invoice. So in Xero, we actually attach the invoice that we've spent money on to the client's invoice for costs. So cutting them across manually is very labor intensive. So with your application, we just rely on that to transfer them across each line item in Xero. So really it's a menial task that we've automated through AI. It was pretty easy. I went in new application, then I entered our email address for it to scrape, and away it went. It was pretty simple. It just allows me to do other things that I wouldn't otherwise be distracted with. That's all. So I can put more time in doing quotations and, follow-ups with clients and all that sort of stuff. Probably saving 6, 8 hours a week. In a really busy period, probably 12 hours a week. I'd recommend it. Absolutely. It saved me heaps of time and allowed me to get on with other things like the many other projects we've got in our business.